it uses the sign language for sunrise. In fact, happy is like a sunrise in your heart. So do the sign for sunrise and do the sign for heart. Happy. Happy. Sad is like your heart being on the ground. Do the sign for heart and throw it on the ground. Sad. To work or to make. Bring. Bring. Friend. Friend. Morning is a combination of day and sunrise. So do the symbol for day and show sunrise. So that's morning. Afternoon, start your sun at noon and move it down towards the west. Remember, the west is your right side, so this would be afternoon. Evening, do the sign for afternoon, do the sign for night, do the sign for small. It's like a small night in the afternoon. So afternoon, small night, or night small. That's evening. Daybreak, left hand, right hand, and break it like this. Daybreak. Stars pulse, so flick your hand out. To talk, one-on-one, it's just a sign for talk. Remember, no movement of the small movement of the wrist, and none of the big movements like we have for truth and promise. So this is talking one-on-one. To talk to a big council, or talk to many people at once. Sort of a motion like this. To tell me is the same motion but backwards. Tell me. Sing. 2 fingers at your mouth. Wave it around. This is sing. Dance. Imagine your fingertips hopping. Winter or cold, hold your hands and pretend to shiver. Winter or cold. A spring, like the season. Do the symbol for a plant growing out of the ground. Spring. Summer, it's like the grass growing taller. So do grass, but make it grow extra tall. Summer. The fall or autumn is a bunch of leaves falling. So do the sign for leaf. This also represents fall and autumn. So a light or disembark, which means to get off of something, do the sign for a horse and then get off of it. So this is to disembark. To arrive there, telling someone to arrive over there. Show there with your left hand and point to it. Arrive there. Tell someone to arrive here, put your location nearer to you and point to it. Arrive here. Arrive there or arrive here. A book, or it's read. Book, read. For a bow, as if you would be pulling a bow. Arrow, do the sign for arrows. So pretend you're holding the tip of the arrow with your left hand and drag it upwards with your right. Arrow, bow. Next word is axe or tomahawk. So do the sign. Pretend this is your axe or your tomahawk and you're holding it. And you can kind of chop around. Axe or tomahawk. To chop, draw across your body from right top to left bottom, and then left top to right bottom. Chop. To rise, raise, wake up, like this. Another is done like this. Make a larger motion with your hand, not to be confused with not, which is a smaller motion, or know or learn, which is the same motion but with your fingers out. So this is another. Together, Rain. Smell, 2 fingers wafting to your nose. Smell. Cry. Blood, 2 streams of blood coming from your nose. Thank you. All gone. Right in front of left. All gone. To trade or to exchange something, you have 2 people and they sort of change, they cross each other. So change, to exchange or to trade. Gloomy or cloudy, like this. Council, it's like a circle. Start in the front and move your way to the back. Council. To meet, you have the same 2 people, but instead of exchanging, they meet in the middle. So this is meet. To disparage or talk bad about, 2 fingers at your mouth and throw it down. So that's the last page. Thank you for listening. I hope that was helpful.